बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम आमीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन. The summary of differentiation of inverse tan functions is the topic of this lecture. An important advice: we must be sincere to everyone. This is the way to differentiate tan inverse. First write 1 upon square of this function, then plus 1 is the part of the formula, and then multiply this whole fraction with the differential of this function. The differential of ax is a. For example, if we have to differentiate tan inverse x square minus 1, we need to write 1 upon square of this function, plus 1 is the part of the formula, and now multiply this whole fraction with the differential of x square minus 1, which is 2x. If we have to differentiate tan inverse 3 upon x square, then we need to write 1 upon 3 upon x square whole square, plus 1 is the part of the formula, and then differential of this. Differential of this is, be careful, 3 upon x square. Write this as 3 I'm sorry, 3x minus 2, and then differentiate it. So it should be minus 6x minus 3. That means minus 6 upon x cube. In denominator we have 9 upon x power 4 plus 1. Here we have minus 6 upon x cube. Finally we have minus 6, 1 upon x cube is here, 9 plus x to the power 4 upon x power 4. Now this x power 4 will come here. So minus 6 x power 4 over 9 plus x to the power 4 times 1 upon x cube. After simplification we have minus 6x, 9 plus x to the power 4. This is the way to differentiate inverse tan functions. This is the example from past paper. This question is from June 20, paper 33. The equation of a curve is y is equal to x tan inverse half x, find dy upon dx. Be careful, this is UV, product rule. And the product rule is UV prime, VU prime. So y is x tan inverse half x. This is u, this is v. When we will differentiate y, we'll get dy upon dx. Copy x according to uv rule and then differentiate v. The differential of tan inverse half x is 1 upon 2 x whole square, plus 1 is the part of the formula, and the differential of half x is half. This is the way to differentiate inverse tan functions. Now according to UV rule, copy v and differentiate u. So v is tan inverse half x times differential of x, which is 1. This is u prime. Now we just need to simplify this. So we have x here, 1 upon 2 is here. This is x square upon 4 plus 1. This is tan inverse half x. After taking LCM and simplification, we have 4x, which will become 2x after the cancellation with this 2. X squared plus 4 plus tan inverse half x. So this is the way to differentiate tan inverse. The tangent to the curve at the point where x is 2 meets the y-axis. Tangent. So we first need equation of tangent at x2. That means we need y coordinate as well. Meets the y-axis, meaning the coordinates will be 0, p. It's given. So first we need y coordinate or gradient of tangent. So first I'm working for y coordinate. Y is equal to 2 tan inverse. Make sure your calculator must be in radian mode while doing calculus, because calculus is always done in radian mode. So 2 tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So we have pi by 2 here, y coordinate. I'm sorry. Now we need gradient at x2. So 4 in numerator in gradient formula. Here this will become 4. 4 plus 4 makes 8 plus tan inverse 1. So we have half plus pi by 4. That's the gradient of tangent at x is equal to 2. Now we need equation of tangent. So equation of tangent is y minus y1, and y1 is pi by 2. Gradient half pi upon 4 x minus 2. This is the equation of the tangent. You don't need to simplify it. You just need to substitute 0, p into this equation, because equation of tangent was not required. So y minus pi by 2 copied on left side. Half plus pi by 4 is also copied. X is 0 minus 2. So we have minus 1 when we will multiply these two, and minus pi by 2 here, and bring pi by 2, this pi by 2 on right hand side. So finally we have minus 1. So the coordinates of the point are 0, minus 1. That's the way to solve questions of these types. Hope this lecture will help you to understand how to differentiate inverse tan functions. You can get the soft copy of this lecture from the link of the math website in the description. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.